My wife came home from the store the other day and she goes, I was in the produce department today and this guy told me I was beautiful. Well, baby, he's right. You are beautiful. Yeah, but he said it. Really? You ever overdraw his checking account? You ever drive his brand new Mercedes straight through the garage door? That ever happened to that guy? It happened to me, and I think you're so hot, I fuck you anyway. And if you're one of these guys going around to grocery stores telling married women they're beautiful, hey, fuck you. Kill your own chicken, you mother killer.